Hello class, Mr. Merritt here. I just wanted to make this video because I've had some questions and concerns about due dates and assignments. So just listen up and I'll give you guys a rundown about that. Let's get to it. The first thing I want you all to keep in mind is your final essay, the 20% of your final grade, the argumentative essay. That's going to be due on May the 8th on Friday. Okay, so that's coming up pretty soon. So, but all you're going to basically have to do is make your a 2.5, 3-page essay from last semester and add a little more support and research, and you'll be good there. Provide commentary, have a conclusion, and you'll have a good essay there. Remember, it must be cited correctly, and I want it in MLA format, okay, guys? So don't forget that stuff. And if I haven't approved your topic, you need to email me. I think I did approve everyone's topic, but if I haven't, please let me know so I can do that. I'm also going to present a rubric for the final essay, so you'll know exactly point by point or category by category for your essay what I'm looking for. And it's going to be weighted heavily towards citation, guys, so make sure you guys get that down. The big concern has been about this presentation I want you guys to do. Normally this would be in the class and you would talk to your classmates and me about your research, but since that ain't going to happen, we're going to do this virtually, which means you all are going to have to do what I'm doing right now. You're going to have to get your research together, your thesis, and present it in a video format like I'm doing right now. And guys, it doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to make a theatrical movie or a movie production here. Okay, or a fancy YouTube video with graphics and all that. But if you know how to do that and you want to, go for it. But the minimum of this is going to be doing what I'm doing right now. Some people are more nervous to talk to a camera. They are in front of people. So if you're really nervous about doing this, don't worry. Your classmates aren't going to see this. It's just going to be me. So that might make you feel a little less nervous. But do what I'm doing right now. Make a little script. I just got notes written down, what I wanted to go over on this video. So, and again, if you know your stuff, you can do what I'm doing right now. So get a good grasp of your research, make a little list or read off of your essay and share it. Now, this video, I don't want it to be very long. I can go on and on, as you guys know, and I'm trying to make this short, but the minimum is going to be 3 minutes. I want the maximum to be 10. I think that's even way too long. I think 3 to 5 minutes is perfect. You can get out the problem, the controversy, your solution, your thesis, and your conclusion in that amount of time, and even evidence and all that stuff. So, and charts, whatever you want to throw in there. That's plenty of time to do that. So maybe even look at some YouTube videos as an example. So I wouldn't suggest using Screencastify, the Google program. I tried using it on the laptop, and it's not very good, and it's also it's a trial, so you have to pay for it in after 3 days, so forget that. And but I think YouTube has some good video editing tools too, so try YouTube. Or if you know how to use Premiere Pro like I do, it's expensive and it's Adobe, but I have it. If you happen to have access to that program, go for it. Use something like that to make your presentation. That will be due on May the 11th. That's on the Monday right after your essay is due. So you guys are going to have a couple of projects here to work on down the stretch. So the forums, make sure you're caught up with Vladek and the question I posted about COVID-19. So or about reopening or not, so make sure you respond to that. Those have been very interesting, by the way. I haven't finished grading all those, but I will. I'm going to read everyone's response and reply to, I'm going to reply to everybody who gave a good, thoughtful response. So, but anyway, so I will grade everyone on that. So make sure you're caught up with the forum. So the last thing was the stimulus points. I had students asking about that, the 20 points. I promised you guys for doing your survey. Don't worry, I'll give that to you all on the assignment you need it most. If it's your final essay, which is 20% again of your grade, that's a weighted score. So you may want to use those points on a heavily weighted score, not a daily assignment or a quiz, obviously. So that's it, guys. So I just want to run that down with you. Well, one quick thing. I also made a little category list of all your different your scores. You can calculate this yourself and figure out what your final grade is. I'm going to give you all a waiver or a freebie on the minor and major literary analyses and your article analyses. Okay, so that's 30% of your grade right there that's been given to you guys. And there's a reason why for that. I was going to make you guys write a couple of article analyses, but we're not in school, and it's just it's something I need to kind of walk you guys through. So, but anyway, that's been waived, and also your major. The reason I waived the major and minor literary analyses because I wasn't able to grade all of the rough drafts and give them back to you guys in time. So I won't penalize you guys for something that I failed to do. So anyway, there you go. So I'll post this where you guys can figure out your grades, and remember to keep up with Blackboard, guys. I'm using that to do your final grades and to submit your grade to the college. So make sure that you're caught up with everything on there. Some of you guys haven't logged in a while, so I'm going to be making some phone calls too. But anyway, again, guys, this is a messed up situation. I hope things get better. We all hope that, and we can see each other again. But if not, you just got to keep doing your assignments and finish them up by the 15th. I won't accept any more work after May the 15th, so make sure you do those two major projects right before then, your research essay, and present it in a video format, okay? All right, guys, again, if you have any questions or your parents have any concerns or questions, feel free to email me and I'll get back to you, okay? All right, guys, hope you all have a nice day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.